Hello, everyone. As you can see, we have another Star Wars The Black Series figure in front of us. This time it is Clone Commander Cody. It is an archive figure from the 50th anniversary, easy for me to say, of Lucasfilm. I actually picked this guy up at Walmart. They had the entire wave, which I was very, very surprised about. And they had several others as well. So good job, Walmart, for finally having something, because you hardly ever have anything. Anyways, so as you can see, this is an archive figure. I did not have the original figure that this one came from, so we aren't going to be able to do a comparison. But what we are going to do today is we're going to take a look at the outside of the packaging. We'll go ahead and unbox Cody here, and then we'll go ahead and take a look at his articulation, take some pictures, and then come back, talk about maybe some things that I learned, maybe some things that I like or don't like about the figure. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at Clone Commander Cody. And as I'm going through this, if you have any questions, make sure to ask down below. And if you're liking the video, give it a thumbs up. So we've got Cody here. So it looks like we've got a rifle and then a blaster. And on the back, we've got a larger version of Cody there. And it says, a natural and practical leader in the clone army, Cody was a good fit for General Kenobi, to whom he was particularly loyal. And then I really do like that they've been doing this, just basically having the entire lineup of Lucasfilm, especially when it comes to Star Wars and whatnot. So that's pretty awesome. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox him. And what I like to do is basically just go around with a knife. I don't really try to save the container, but it's just the easiest way to get them out with the bubble. There we go. And as you can see, I didn't do a particularly great job there, but gets us what we need. We'll take Cody out. Don't need this guy anymore. Rifle. Blaster. And need to be careful about Cody's antenna there. All right. And there we go. There's Cody. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at his weapons first. So, a little disappointed, only because these are just very basic. I mean, there's like hardly any detail on these blasters. And then long range. I mean, this is just very basic. But Cody, on the other hand, this is what I'm talking about. That is freaking awesome. I'm really excited about this guy. All right, so again, like I said, if you have any questions, make sure to ask down below. And if you're liking the video, give it a thumbs up. All right, so helmet, or I should say head. It is a double joint, it looks like, because we're able to go up, down, but then we've got a little bit different up, down as well. So the full down with a little bit of up. So that's really good. I like that. We're able to get a little bit of head tilt. Not a whole lot, but enough. Better than some. And then arms. Just be careful of the antenna right there. So arms, we're not going to get too far, mostly because of those shoulder pads. We get turn at the under the shoulder there, as well as turn. Yep, that's the only place. And then what we've got as far as the elbow, about a 90. I mean, that's not bad. I'm not going to complain about that. And then from there, we've got looks like a left-right. Yeah, left-right. Super snappy there. And then this guy is an up-down. Then as far as the torso is concerned, a little bit of movement, not much. Legs, typical trooper, double knee. and normal hinges there. Some things to take a look at, though. We've got on the back of his arm, the belt, the back. It's not going to come off. Okay, good. All right. So, I think it looks pretty cool. I'm not going to take anything away from him yet. Quite yet. Focus. Thank you. But let's go ahead and take some pictures. This is where we normally find out, maybe some things that he should be able to do or surprise that he could do. So that's where we'll learn more about Clone Commander Cody. So I think that was a good look at Clone Commander Cody here. I think the detail on him, especially in the back there, I think that's super awesome. I like, the other detail here on the arm, on the chest there. I think it's a good pickup. I was actually very surprised that I was able to get him at Walmart like I did. I wasn't able to pre-order him in time. What surprised me, though, is they had all the other wave as well at Walmart with the, even Thrawn was there. That really surprised me. But anyways, back to Clone Commander Cody. I think he's a good pickup. I'm very happy that they brought him back in the archive. His movement is pretty much standard when it comes to any of the clones. So if you like the movement on the clones, you'll like this guy. If you didn't, you still might want to pick him up because he looks pretty awesome. So anyways, with that, if you have any questions, make sure to ask down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. So on a last note here, if you aren't already subscribed to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do a lot of things on the channel that are Star Wars and Star Wars The Black Series related, but we do other things as well, like going to theme parks, talking about home automation, electronics, just things that a professional geek might find interesting. I, myself, being a professional geek, like to share things that you might find interesting as well. If you consider yourself a professional geek, or if any of this interests you, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. And with that, have a great day.